If you want to use your iPhone 16e as a webcam on your MacBook, then you have it a little bit easier because Apple devices are, of course, compatible with each other pretty well. Therefore, you can, for example, go to Settings and then choose General. And then in General, you can go to AirPlay and Continuity, and you want to make sure that the Continuity camera is enabled. And here we can read that we can use our iPhone as a webcam for our Mac when both devices are near each other. You can also mount your iPhone on the MacBook, most likely, in order to lock the position of the iPhone so that you don't have to hold it or anything like that. And essentially, you should be able to switch the camera that you use in an app, because this of course depends on the app that you use. But for example, on FaceTime or anything else, there is always an option to choose the camera that you want to use, and you should be able to choose your iPhone. However, if you have some issues with this method, if it doesn't work for you for some reason, or if you have a Windows computer, whether it is PC or laptop, then you can still use additional app, third-party app, that allows you to easily connect your iPhone to pretty much every device. So what I'm talking about, the app that I want to show you is called Arion. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So in the App Store, we can search and we can type the name. This is the name of the app, Arion. And this is the app that we are looking for. We will need to download it on both devices, that is your iPhone and your computer or Mac. And we need to simply download the app on our iPhone. So press the download button, wait for the app to be installed, and in the meantime, we need to also download it on your computer. In my case, I'm gonna use Windows PC, and what you need to do is go to the website arion.com. Over here you can see the link, and over here you can download the app for your computer for Windows or for a Mac. However, in the case of Mac, the macOS 12.3 or later is required to make it work, so keep that in mind. And essentially, once you get the app, you want to install the app on your computer. And once you install it, you will see this window over here. And we can also read that we need to make sure that the Arion webcam is running on your mobile phone. So we're gonna move to that in a second. And the phone and this PC are connected to the same Wi-Fi, so you need to use the same network pretty much. So once you open the webcam app on your iPhone, we need to allow to find devices on local networks, because of course we need to let the app detect our computer, and we need to also let the app use our camera, because obviously we need to use the camera. And once you connect, if you have the same connection, you should pretty much immediately connect, as long as the app over here on the phone is opened and it is opened also on your computer. And if I go to the desktop, as you can see, it works pretty well. Besides that, there are some other things that you can do. Mainly, you can click over here on the left side, these three lines, in order to adjust the video format if necessary. In my case, at first I had to switch from full HD to the bigger resolution, but of course feel free to use the smaller resolution if you want to. And that is essentially it. But you can use it at this point. The app, the Arion webcam should be detectable on your computer as well, so you should be able to use it on any other app that uses the camera. Besides that, over here we also have some additional options like the flashlight. Here we can flip or mirror the camera, and we can also flip to the front camera like this. And all these changes, of course, are visible on PC as well, or on Mac too. So that is essentially it. Besides that, if you have issues with connecting wirelessly, you can also use the USB cable. You just need to connect your phone to the computer or Mac, and you should have no issues at all with using your iPhone as a webcam. And the app has to be opened If you close it, then the app on computer will also close. You will not get the camera on computer anymore as well. So just keep that in mind, that it has to be opened. Therefore, most likely you want to be connected, charging your phone pretty much all the time, because you will drain the battery rather quickly. The constant power is probably recommended in that case. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!